Welcome to this tutorial on how to earn from Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular online platform where freelancers can offer their services and earn money. To start earning on Fiverr, you need to create a profile that showcases your skills and expertise. Make sure to highlight your strengths and provide examples of your previous work. Once your profile is set up, you can start creating gigs. Gigs are the services you offer on Fiverr, such as graphic design, writing, or programming. Be clear and specific about what you offer in your gigs to attract potential buyers. Promote your gigs on social media and other platforms to increase your visibility. Deliver high-quality work to your clients and provide excellent customer service. As you receive positive reviews and ratings, your reputation on Fiverr will grow, leading to more opportunities and higher earnings.